Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to change your clothes color on your image only using Canva application. So the way to do that, first thing first, you need to open your Canva like this, and the next step, you just need to import your image or picture onto this blank project. Okay, now let me import an image first. So I'm just going to Canva photo and import this image. And the next step you need to do is remove the background from the image, kind of like this. Just click this BG remover or go to the Magic Studio and click this BG remover tools. Okay, now when you're done, the next step that you need to do is to duplicate this image or picture that you already remove the background from it, and like this, and put the next picture on top of the first picture. Okay, now the next step, on this duplicate image, you just need to go to this Magic Studio buttons again and click the BG remover, and now use these brush tools to remove the head and the rest of the part that we are not going to change the color of it. Okay, so I'm going to increase the brush size like this, and I'm going to slowly swipe the exact object that I'm going to delete from this image. So this one, I'm going to delete it like this, and now I'm going to decrease the brush size and like this, and delete the rest of the object. Wait for a moment, let me finish this step. And for your information, if you don't have Canva Pro, you can use a website that's called Remove BG in Google. So you just need to type it on your Google Chrome maybe, or maybe your Safari, and go to the website. And when you open the website, there will be a tools to remove the background from your image. Okay, this one, sorry, I'm going to decrease the size from the brush and drag it here, drag it here. Wait for a moment, little bit more. Okay, now when you're done, hit this X button to go back to your main page, kind of like this. Now the next step, you just need to click the duplicated image one more time and swipe left your toolbar until you found this effect button, and now click it, go to the duotone effect, and as you can see, when you click on the exact color that you that's on the duotone, the color from the clothes, it will change just like that, as you can see. And now when you're done, to have a more touch, to make it much more cool and good, you just need to tap the exact color that you already put onto your clothes like this, and go to shadows, and now move the shadows onto a black color, kind of like this. And as you can see, the effect is kind of much more natural because there's a shadow on the clothes, kind of like this. And yep, that's the way to change the clothes color on Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.